A warship design Japan once guarded tightly is now being shared with India. That is not a routine defense deal. It is a strategic shift in the Indo-Pacific balance. Japan has offered India its advanced Mogami-class frigate design, not just for purchase, but for joint construction in Indian shipyards. For a country known for strict defense export rules, this is unprecedented. So why now and why India? Each Mogami-class frigate comes at a cost of around $500 million, but its value is not just in price, it is in capability. These ships carry anti-ship missiles, anti-aircraft systems, and torpedoes designed for submarine warfare. They are built for stealth, high automation, and requires only about 90 crew members, almost half of similar warships. But the biggest story is not the ship, it is the decision to share it. Japan has loosened its defense export restrictions. A cabinet revision on April 21st now allows broader transfer of defense equipment, including finished systems. That legal shift opened the door. India walked through it. Under the proposal, Japan would not just sell, it would co-produce. India would build the warship locally, using Japanese technology and materials. This directly aligns with India's Make in India push to localize defense production and reduce import dependence. It also fits India's long-term goal to become a global defense manufacturing hub, not just a buyer of weapons, but a producer. Defense experts say the timing is not accidental. India has been reducing reliance on Russia and expanding ties with Western partners. Now, Japan is entering the same space, but with something more strategic: technology transfer at scale. However, analysts caution the deal is not final yet. So, the Mogami deal still carries uncertainty, but the intent is clear. Both sides are moving closer. Behind this shift is a shared security concern. The Indo-Pacific is under pressure. China's naval footprint is expanding. According to defense analysts, Chinese submarines are increasingly active in the Indian Ocean, along with a steady presence of surface vessels. That region matters because it carries global trade and energy routes. Japan sees this clearly. Its economy depends on these sea lanes. Any disruption becomes a national security risk. This is why Japan's strategic thinking is evolving. It cannot secure the region alone. Neither can the United States fully stretch across both the Pacific and Indian Oceans. So a new idea is taking shape: India as a maritime security provider. So, if the Mogami deal, if finalized, will mark a turning point, not just in Japan-India relations, but in how India-Pacific security is built. Not through dominance, but through shared capability. Not through isolation, but through industrial partnership. With Rudrishish Kanjilal, Bureau Report, India Today Global.